You can easily schedule an appointment at the DMV at a specific location for different things. Please select the location first. Some locations may do some services and some may not. So just because one isn't doing a permit test doesn't mean that they all aren't. Scan through each one, select the location, then go through and go through the services that they're offering at that particular location. Again, some are doing some services, some are not. Select what you're looking to do. Then, once you've done that, you can go in and select a date and a time. And you can see everything that's not crossed off is available. Fill in your information and you have an appointment. Once you handle that, give us a call and this way we can get started with your next step.